Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix creator fun not showing on TikTok. Open the TikTok app in your cell phone. Now go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Accounts. Now select Switch to Business Account. Choose a category and submit. Add your email for verification. Now enter your bio as a creator. And your profile as a creator has been completed. Now, if you're a content creator, start working on your content and work on increasing your followers. In order to be eligible for Creator Fund, you should at least have 10,000 followers on your TikTok creator account. See? Easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.